Hi, today our video topic is makeup products with name and uses. Face primer. For long-lasting makeup. Protect your skin from harmful chemical. Foundation. Prepare a base for makeup. Perfect foundation. For normal to dry skin. Mate and Porelss. For oily and pore skin. Concealer. Used to mask dark circlage spots, large pores. Small blemishes visible on the skin. Loose powder. Used to set foundation for long-lasting makeup. Contour. Defines
Bronzer.
and shapes structure of your face. Blush. Enhance cheekbones, enhance the structure of your face. Highlighter. Enhance your complexion and give skin a brighter, dewy glow. Makeup brushes and sponge. Help you apply makeup. A makeup sponge can help you achieve a smoother finish. Eyeshadow kit palette. To highlight your eyes for contouring the eye socket. Eyeliner. Make the lashes look loose, change the eye's shape. Mascara. Enhance the eyelashes. False eyelashes. To achieve the look of longer, thicker lashes. Kajal. Keep the eyes cool and clean. Lipstick. Lipstick is a cosmetic product used to apply coloration and texture to lips. Eyebrows gel. Shape up your brows, keep the brows in the place. Setting spray. Locks the makeup, make long-lasting. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.